oh my goodness! Abhimanyu, oh my goodness, Mount. Oh, that's an I'm very excited for the next bout coming up. That's a bantamweight bout between Abhimanyu Rai and Clinton D'Cruz. There's a lot of trash talking and smack bit going on between both these fighters. Abhimanyu is making his pro debut, while Clinton is a known bantamweight.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the cage, Abhimanyu Rai!
And now making his way to the cage is Abhimanyu Rai. Abhimanyu Rai is a Pahadi boy. Abhimanyu Rai ke sar pe aap Pahadi topi dekh bhi sakte ho.
Let's call him the Pahadi Beast because that's his cage name.
Alright. Abhimanyu Rai ka cage name hai Pahadi Beast. So we're going to call him the Pahadi Beast from now on. फुल स्टाइल मारते हुए आ रहे हैं. स्टाइल की तो कोई कमी नहीं है ये नए लड़कों में राहुल. स्टाइल की तो कोई कमी ही नहीं है.
Well, Manan, yes, these young guns are actually blazing.
And he said,
Clinton, I'm going to eat you like a cream roll.
He said, Clinton, I'm going to eat you like a cream roll. So a lot of drama has been going on social media.
Ladies and gentlemen, and his opponent making his way to the cage, Clinton D'Cruz!
Manan, I really like Clinton. I like his fighting style. Clinton, his nickname is Purgi Boy, the first MMA fighter to fight out of school. And so far he's undefeated. He's fought at MFN, he's fought amateurs, fight to the round, to all the 3 rounds because he wants to torture. Over to Jared for fight introduction.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 61.7 kilograms, hailing from Uttarakhand. Make some noise for the Pahadi Beast, Abhimanyu Rai! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 61.3 kilograms, hailing from Karnataka, the Kurgi boy, Clinton D'Cruz! And begins the referee for the fight, Abhishek Bish for us.
Follow the rules all time. I say stop, then stop, and touch the gloves. If you want, go to your corner.
Penetrate that hole. Let's go. Nice.
And the action begins. Manan, I really want to stand up and watch this fight.
क्लिंटन की तरफ से टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट और बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड किया अभिमन्यु ने. क्लिंटन छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं अभी भी उस लात को. वो टेक डाउन फिनिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और बहुत तगड़े शॉट्स मार रहे हैं अभिमन्यु. Oh my God, Clinton got rocked.
I think Clinton is hurt.
got rocked.
I think Clinton is hurt. I think Clinton is hurt.
These guys are exploding on each other, man. Abhimanyu Rai has come out like a beast. Look at the way he's fighting. He landed some insane elbows right on Clinton's temple, Rahul. That definitely must have hurt Clinton. I don't know how he's holding on to Abhimanyu Rai right now.
Well, I'm sure that must have hurt. This is the kind of action that we get to see at Matrix Fight Night. Abhimanyu Rai making his pro debut. And look at it. Only 60 seconds of first round and he's already attacking.
There it is. Oh my God. That is insane.
Oh, what a slam. What a takedown.
He went a couple of feet up in the air there, Rahul. Wow!
Well, I think that would have been a shocker for Abhimanyu Rai. But
This
Abhimanyu Rai has had an amazing
fight.
start to this fight.
Rahul, ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? I can't believe the action we are seeing.
Manan, even I wasn't expecting all this. I think Clinton is an excellent fighter and I was underestimating Abhimanyu. But I think Abhimanyu's training so far has been underrated, especially for this bout. He's been training with Sumit Khare.
What I like the most about what Abhimanyu is doing right now is Rahul, he doesn't stop striking. अगर उनको मौका मिल रहा है तो वो बहुत hard land कर रहे हैं, नहीं मौका मिल रहा तो soft land कर रहे हैं. But the volume of strikes he's throwing is huge, and I think Clinton has been hurt, man. In these exchanges, Clinton has been hurt multiple times. This fight could actually potentially end in this round.
Well, in the first 2 minutes of the fight, Abhimanyu has actually rocked Clinton's world.
क्लिंटन के हाथों में और बॉडी में जान नहीं नजर आ रही है मुझे राहुल.
I don't know what Clinton is trying to do. He's a first round finisher and
He doesn't have anything left in him, Rahul. That's what
well, I
I'm
don't
saying.
think so. Clinton can always come back. Look at those eyes. Wow. What an
Yeah, अच्छा
excellent takedown.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
very technical. Manan, that was very technical. Now look at the way he's trying to pass the guard and getting on to the mount of Abhimanyu.
राहुल, लेकिन देखना ये है कि इतनी मार खाने के बाद क्या क्लिंटन ग्राउंड पे अच्छे से डोमिनेट कर पाएंगे अभिमन्यु को, क्योंकि जो एल्बोज मारी है ना अभिमन्यु ने क्लिंटन को, वो नॉर्मल एल्बोज नहीं थी. उन्होंने पूरी जान से क्लिंटन के टेम्पल पे एल्बोज लैंड करी हैं. तो अब देखना ये है कि इस पोजीशन से क्लिंटन कुछ कर पाएंगे कि नहीं.
Manan, I think someone's bleeding. I think it's Clinton. Clinton has been rocked in round 1. Yesterday when we were talking to Abhimanyu, remember he told us that he's worked really hard on his striking.
Nice. He will explode. Nice.
और क्लिंटन अभी तक तो ठीक काम कर रहे हैं, पंचेस मार रहे हैं वो अभिमन्यु को, एल्बोज भी मार रहे हैं.
I think Clinton's bleeding.
Yeah, definitely that blood has to be coming from Clinton. It's probably one of those elbows that got him open. But he's still in the fight, man, Rahul, and that's shocking. Those elbows were vicious, Rahul. Those were not normal elbows. Abhimanyu threw them with full power, and Clinton is still in the fight. Of course, he's rocked, he's shaken up a little bit, but he's still in the fight, and that's a big deal. That says a lot about what kind of heart this boy has. That says a lot about what kind of warrior this boy is. And he's now advancing his position on the ground, Rahul.
Manan, MMA is the thing that we're into. It's our engine. It moves us, and it's full of blood and sweat, as you can see it in the bout. And it's got heart and soul too. But moreover, it's got respect. But herein, I think Abhimanyu has no respect for Clinton. He's been smashing Clinton like anything.
He's exiting towards that only where we need it.
Who do you think this round will go to, Rahul, if Abhimanyu
Of course,
continues to Clinton continues to dominate?
Abhimanyu. This is Abhimanyu's round. If
He's covering the guard. Nice. You want it.
now herein, if you can see,
But look at that.
Clinton is actually trying to get some techniques there. Oh my goodness! As we
That was
said,
unpredictable. Where did that come from, man? Where did that come from? It looked like Clinton was really dominating Abhimanyu on the ground, and out of nowhere, Abhimanyu picks him up and slams him on the ground. This guy is a beast, Rahul. This guy is a beast, man. I did not expect this from Abhimanyu. He has exceeded everybody's expectations. Look at those hammer shots that he's landing. This is insane.
My goodness.
This
my
is, oh my
goodness,
God.
My goodness. Well, that's round 1, power-packed, full of action.
Wow.
And as Daniel said, we've got the best pound-for-pound action at MFN 5.
राउंड 2 अब शुरू होने जा रहा है. इतनी मार खाने के बाद कि इतनी मार खाने के बाद क्लिंटन क्या कर पाते हैं, बट मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा इतनी मार खाने के बाद क्लिंटन कुछ कर पाएंगे कि नहीं.
Well, let's see. Oh, that's a nice right hand by Clinton. Round 2 action begins. Power pack. Oh my goodness! Well, Abhimanyu. Oh my goodness! I think we're going to see a lot of slams in this bout.
Walk for it.
अभिमन्यु ने एक पंच लैंड किया जिससे क्लिंटन सीधा नीचे गिरे, बट इमीडिएटली खड़े भी हो गए. This guy has some kind of a chin, bro. He's taken so much damage and he's still in the fight. और इस टाइम क्लिंटन अभिमन्यु के ऊपर है, अभिमन्यु के गार्ड में है, और अब वो गार्ड को ट्रांजिशन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
So he passes
और
the
उन्होंने
guard.
कर लिया.
Clinton passes the guard.
Nice elbow.
He's in side control. Wow, he's in the north-south position. If he can pull a submission here, trust me, Clinton is going to be the man for the night.
अगर क्लिंटन ने इस फाइट को यहाँ से घुमा दिया और यहाँ से वो जीत गए, I will be left speechless, राहुल. इतनी मार खाने के बाद, इतने elbows punches खाने के बाद, if he can submit Abhimanyu Rai from here, it is going to be insane. It is going to be a historic fight.
Again, yes.
Well, let's see. Abhimanyu is not as experienced as Clinton is, but Clinton is eating a lot of strikes in this bout.
Yes, Clinton.
Well, Clinton again in the north-south position.
Use it. He is punching, he is opening his own guard, okay? Use it.
और क्लिंटन बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं अभी ग्राउंड पे अभिमन्यु को डोमिनेट करने का. उन्होंने एक अच्छी पोजीशन मेंटेन कर रखी है, वो यहाँ से स्ट्राइक्स लैंड कर रहे हैं. और मैं जानता हूँ राहुल कि वो कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में ये सोच के बैठे हैं कि वो अभिमन्यु को सबमिट करेंगे, but he's a good grappler, so he's taking his time. He's not impatient. वो opportunity का wait कर रहे हैं. जब उनको मौका मिलेगा, वो जरूर अभिमन्यु को submit करने की कोशिश करेंगे यहाँ से.
Nice, nice.
Manan, Abhimanyu has become a nightmare for many. During amateurs at MFN, he disappointed and turned out to be SK's nightmare. And I've seen SK fighting. There was no way that I thought Abhimanyu can defeat SK, but at the same time he pulled out he pulled out a surprise and he upsets SK.
And he surprised us again tonight, Rahul.
Exactly.
He surprised us against SK and he surprised us again tonight.
Against Clinton, the Kurgi boy.
Open him, Clinton. Yes. Nice. Beautiful.
Clinton की तरफ से अच्छे elbows आ रहे हैं.
Clinton, he is captain in that guard. Clinton, let's go, let's go.
I've heard so much about Clinton's ground game,
Right hand, Clinton,
and I
right
was really
hand.
hoping that he's
Clinton,
going to
right
be
hand.
tenacious on the
Clinton,
ground.
right hand,
But at the
Clinton.
same time,
Right hand,
I'm
right
really
hand.
hoping
Yes,
he
nice.
pulls
Again,
out a
right.
submission
Right
from
hand.
here.
Elbow, elbow, elbow.
Clinton
Elbow,
said
elbow.
he's going to torture Abhimanyu for the entire 3 rounds, but we can see the opposite happening right now.
और बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं अभी क्लिंटन. देखो क्लिंटन ने अपनी टांग के नीचे अभिमन्यु का हाथ फंसा रखा है ताकि अभिमन्यु डिफेंड ना कर पाए और अब वो एल्बोज मार रहे हैं इस पोजीशन से.
Exploding is. Again, let him explode.
अभिमन्यु ने अपना
Let him
हाथ छुड़ा
explode.
लिया.
He's getting available for the third round. Let's go. Let's go.
बहुत अच्छा
Clinton,
काम कर रहे हैं
try to
क्लिंटन
open
इस
him up.
राउंड में.
Try to open him up.
उस उतनी मार खाने के बाद क्लिंटन has come back and he's doing such a good job. See how, look how Clinton puts his leg on top of Abhimanyu's arm so that Abhimanyu cannot defend and then he throws strikes. और अभिमन्यु खड़े होने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं बट क्लिंटन ने उन्हें खड़े नहीं होने दिया. बहुत ही अच्छी गेम क्लिंटन की तरफ से. एक और पंच मारा उन्होंने और अभी तो इस राउंड में तो क्लिंटन डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं. राहुल, क्या बोलते हो आप?
Manan, we have 90 more seconds. Anything can happen. There's a lot of action in this round. Who do you give the first round to?
The first round, obviously, Rahul, anybody watching this from anywhere in the world knows the first round went to Abhimanyu, the Pahadi beast. But I think if Clinton can continue staying in this position and landing those strikes, this round is definitely going to go to Clinton.
Nice, nice.
Now Clinton is going for the mount. If he gets the mount, oh, that's an excellent reversal. That's an excellent reversal by Abhimanyu. So I think Abhimanyu's game, striking as well as ground game, was highly underrated. Now herein we can see Clinton was actually going for a triangle, but oh, he gets the triangle. He's setting it up. Oh my goodness,
He's landing some elbows from the bottom, man. Vicious.
he's
I don't think I don't know if he's landing legal elbows or maybe they're not allowed to be landed where they're landing. Oh, that's a nice slam.
What Clinton should do right now is, what Clinton should do.
We've
from
got
here-
20 seconds, Rahul, on the clock.
Yes. I don't think so.
Does he have
joke
it?
is
Does he have the
He
triangle?
doesn't have it. No, he doesn't have it. He needs to put his left arm towards the right.
10 seconds.
Maybe he has it.
10 seconds.
Maybe. Whoa!
my
Clinton
God!
gets it.
Oh my God.
goodness! Oh my goodness!
Oh my God.
Clinton,
That is
the
unbelievable.
Kurgi boy has actually proved it.
That is unbelievable.
Wasn't game
he
over.
came back
It-
from that.
I think it's time for Abhimanyu to go back home and eat that cream roll and put the same video on Instagram.
It seems like the cream roll has eaten Abhimanyu right now.
Well, this is a sheer victory for Team ICSA. If you don't know Team ICSA, they are one of the most dominant fight teams in the country. Over to Jared
Ladies and
for the
gentlemen,
official
referee
result.
Abhishek Bish has stopped this contest in 4 minutes and 53 seconds of round 2. And the winner, submission by the triangle from the red corner, the Kurgi boy, Clinton, the